1974 Chevrolet Nova SS Clone. Price, $22,000. Located in North Canton, Ohio. This 1974 Chevrolet Nova SS Clone is a fully restored and professionally upgraded street and strip machine, built with precision and serious performance in mind, showing 90,000 miles on the body and only around 1,000 miles on the fresh drivetrain. This blue exterior classic stands out with a clean black interior and a solid manual transmission setup. The car holds a clean title and remains in very good condition with no significant damage or mechanical issues. Under the hood sits a Chevy Deluxe 350 crate engine paired with a rebuilt close ratio Muncie 4-speed transmission, professionally completed by Engler Transmission in Warren, Ohio. Power is delivered through a brand new PST 800 horsepower driveshaft with 1350U joints to a Courier Enterprise Ford 9-inch rear differential featuring 4.11 gears and premium internal components. The suspension system includes split mono leaf springs, QA1 coil over shocks, Caltrax traction system, frame connectors, and all new bushings and brakes. MSD ignition with 6AL box and tuned Holley carburetor ensure reliable performance. Cooling is handled by a new cold case radiator. Riding on centerline wheels with Mickey Thompson street tires, this Nova is turnkey, extremely solid, and ready to enjoy immediately. 2. 1967 Plymouth Barracuda Fastback. Price, $34,000. Located in Elk Grove, California. This 1967 Plymouth Barracuda Fastback is a serious street and strip build with only 5,000 miles since completion. Finished in a deep burgundy exterior, this classic Mopar stands out with aggressive styling and a performance-focused setup. The vehicle has had only 2 owners, is fully paid off, and comes with a clean title. It remains in excellent mechanical condition with no known damage or major issues. Power comes from a strong 416 small block equipped with W2 heads and a Holley Terminator fuel injection system for modern drivability and precise tuning. The engine is paired with a built 904 automatic transmission, delivering consistent and reliable performance. The rear end features a Dana 60 setup along with a 4-link suspension system for improved traction and stability under hard acceleration. Four-wheel disc brakes provide confident stopping power, while the build reportedly has over 55,000 invested. Dyno results show 417 rear-wheel horsepower with conservative timing, and it comfortably runs on 91-octane fuel. Finished in 2020, this Barracuda is a well-sorted, powerful, and dependable classic ready to be enjoyed. 3. 1966 Chevrolet Pro Street Nova. Price, $55,000. Located in Flat Rock, Michigan. This 1966 Chevrolet Pro Street Nova is a purpose-built street machine with only 300 miles since completion. Finished in bright yellow with a black interior, this automatic transmission Nova is built for serious performance while still remaining pump gas friendly. It holds a clean title and remains in very good condition throughout. At the heart of this build is a 406 cubic inch blueprint engine topped with a BDS 6-71 blower and dual 750 CFM Holley Proform carburetors. The rotating assembly features billet main caps, Manley rods, scat crank, and BRC pistons. Edelbrock ported heads, a mechanical roller cam, aluminum roller rockers, and MSD ignition complete the high-performance setup. Backing the engine is a Powerglide transmission with Transbrake, paired to a narrow Dana 60 rear with strange axles and a custom 4-link suspension. Additional highlights include an 8-point cage, Carrera coilovers, Mickey Thompson tires, hooker headers, and a full set of auto meter gauges. This Nova is a true pro street build ready for action. 4. 1988 Chevrolet Pro Street Truck. Price, $25,500. Located in Middleport, Ohio. This 1988 Chevrolet Pro Street Truck is a well-built custom machine designed for aggressive street performance. Listed in like new condition, the truck features a professionally constructed chassis setup with a 4-link rear suspension and Dana rear end for durability and traction. The lightweight A-arms up front contribute to improved handling and weight distribution. Power comes from a freshly installed 454 big block engine sourced from a show car, reportedly with very low miles. The engine is equipped with a mild cam and paired to a performance torque converter, offering strong low-end power and street-friendly drivability. The build focuses on strength and clean execution, although it does not include a roll cage. This truck presents a solid opportunity for someone looking for a powerful pro street-style vehicle without starting from scratch. It is described as very well built and may consider a box trailer on trade. A strong running big block combination makes this a fun and attention-grabbing classic. 5. 1967 Ford Galaxie 500. Price $38,000. Located in Los Angeles, California. This 1967 Ford Galaxie 500 is a serious street and strip build with only 500 miles since completion. Finished in green with a black interior and equipped with a manual transmission, this classic full-size muscle car combines vintage presence with modern high-performance engineering. It holds a clean title and remains in very good condition with all systems fully functional. Power comes from a massive 511 cubic inch all-aluminum FE engine built by FE Specialties, producing approximately 660 horsepower and 640 pounds-ft of torque at the crank. The setup includes a Shelby aluminum block, BBM aluminum heads, tunnel wedge intake, and dual Holley carburetors. A hydraulic roller cam and custom stainless exhaust system complete the aggressive package. Backing the engine is a Tremec 5-speed transmission and a 9-inch rear end with 4.30 gears. The chassis features upgraded suspension, Wilwood disc brakes, and a custom 10-point cage. Built to perform and meant to be driven, this Galaxie is a powerful and well-engineered hot rod. 6. 1979 Pontiac Firebird. Price $7,000. Located in Erie, Michigan. This 1979 Pontiac Firebird is a bold street machine finished in purple with tan interior. Showing 100,000 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission, this car offers strong big block performance at an affordable entry point. It carries a clean title and is described as solid, though it may require minor attention due to limited recent use. Under the hood sits a 454 big block engine paired with a Powerglide transmission and 4.11 rear gears. Performance upgrades include a Holley intake and carburetor, aluminum radiator with electric fan, headers, 3-inch exhaust, and TCI transmission cooler. The chassis has been reinforced with frame ties and subframe connectors. Additional highlights include autometer gauges, trunk-mounted batteries, new tires and rims, and upgraded steering components. This Firebird delivers serious power and strong street presence for someone looking for an affordable muscle project. 7. 1972 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price $34,500. Located in Hebron, Ohio. This 1972 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is a race-ready machine certified to 8.50 seconds and built for serious competition. Finished in blue with a black interior and automatic transmission, this Camaro is purpose-built for the strip while retaining factory glass and steel body panels. Power comes from a 434 cubic inch Shafroth small block, producing around 700 horsepower on race fuel. The engine is paired with an ATI Powerglide transmission and a professionally set up 4-link rear suspension. High-quality aftermarket brakes and premium racing components have been installed throughout the build. Weighing approximately 2,950 pounds, the car has recorded strong 8th-mile performance and remains clean and ready for competition. With new rims and tires recently installed, this Camaro offers serious performance potential for dedicated racers. 8. 1972 Ford Pinto. Price $18,500. Located in Hayden, Indiana. This 1972 Ford Pinto is a rare and highly modified classic showing only 7,782 original miles. Finished in original blue paint with matching blue interior, this automatic transmission build remains extremely unique while keeping much of its factory character intact. It carries a clear title and is described as very good condition with no significant damage or problems. Under the hood sits a powerful 351 Cleveland engine featuring a high-lift camshaft, tunnel ram intake, and dual Holley carburetors. The engine is paired with a C4 automatic transmission and a 9-inch Ford rear end equipped with Moser 31 spline axles and 4.71 spool gearing. Despite its serious performance upgrades, the body has not been cut up, preserving its structural integrity. Additional highlights include a roll bar, fiberglass hood, trunk-mounted battery, and original interior components. The dash carries a signature from Bob Tosca, adding collector appeal. Street legal with proper mufflers installed, this Pinto is a lightweight, aggressive street machine not for the faint of heart. 9. 1971 Pontiac Lemons Street Legal Roller. Price, $4,800. Located in Washington, Missouri. This 1971 Pontiac Lemons Street Legal Roller offers a strong foundation for a serious drag or street build. Previously set up for a big block automatic combination, this car includes a professionally built full roll cage and remains street legal. It holds a clean title and is described as overall good condition. The rear end features 4.88 gears in a Pontiac 8.210 bolt setup. The front suspension has been upgraded with tubular components along with new tie rods, drag link, and idler arm. Additional features include a rear sump fuel cell, Pro Stock style hood, bucket racing seats with 5-point harness, and fresh suspension components. Included with the sale are extra parts such as a new trunk panel, drive shaft, new shocks, body bushings, and drop spindles. This Lemons is a hard-to-find roller platform ready for a powerful drivetrain and custom vision. 10. 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $15,000. Located in Carrollton, Ohio. This 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is a solid drag-oriented project with 1,234 miles showing and equipped with an automatic transmission setup. Finished in black with the original purple color visible under the wrap, this second-generation Camaro presents a strong platform for racing enthusiasts. Please note the vehicle does not currently have a title. The car is being sold without the engine, and the seller will remove the transmission at the listed price. However, it is equipped with a brand new Level 5 FTI transmission, strange 3.5-inch driveshaft with 1350 joints, and a strange nodular iron center section featuring 4.30 gears and heavy-duty upgrades. All major drivetrain components have zero runtime. Additional upgrades include Motion Raceworks shifter, transmission catch can, derail transmission cooler, painless wiring harness, hooker headers, Wilwood rear brake rotors, and new Fragula fittings and lines. With new slicks and front tires installed, this Camaro is a serious race-ready foundation for the right buyer. 11. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe 2D. Price, $45,000. Located in New Carlisle, Ohio. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe 2D is a bold pro street build finished in red with a black interior and automatic transmission. The vehicle is paid off and holds a clean title, presenting a strong combination of classic muscle styling and extreme performance potential. Under the hood sits a 496 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine. The car can be sold with or without a twin turbo setup, offering flexibility depending on the buyer's performance goals. The build reflects serious horsepower intentions and is priced accordingly for a pro street machine of this caliber. The stance, wide rear tires, and aggressive setup give this Camaro unmistakable presence on the street or at shows. With strong mechanical components and a solid overall presentation, this 1968 Camaro SS offers an excellent opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts seeking high horsepower classic muscle.